Hello and good morning to all my crafty friends. I hope you're all keeping well today. My name is Wendy. I'm from Wendy's Craft Den and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Now today is going to be a quick card that I'm going to be cheating, so I thought, well, if I show you what I'm using first. Now what I did, you can't really see these very well, but they're on page 70 of the catalogue, and they are £18 for these stamps, but together they're £45 for the stamps and the dies. Now, I know that these dies are going to be something that I will be using over and over and over again because I like them. I like doing doily things and sitting these on top of other things. Now, the other one I'm going to use one of these sentiments from the Prized Peony collection, and that's on page 73. If you'd like a catalogue, then please message me on my Facebook page, Wendy's Craft Den, and I should get you a catalogue sent out. So that's that. Right, now then, for the cheating bit. I've been doing all this year, the month beginning letter is the stamp set I use. However, I have got some, but they're old stamp sets with J on. So I'm cheating, and I'm using this. This is just Jade, and this is one of the colours I think that's going to be going out. I can't remember now, but I'll put it on the description below. I will put everything like that on it. Oh, right, like I said, I'm using just Jade. Now then, so I'm going to decide now which one. I mean, these are beautiful flowers, a beautiful stamp set. I mean, the flowers, it's just absolutely amazing. And I don't know whether you can see that. Can you? Be careful because I don't know what this camera does. Little tiny background stamp. And what that's useful for is, I just remember when you were back in school and you had a blank piece of paper in art and your teacher said draw something, and you're staring at this blank piece of paper feeling very, very blank yourself. So these little stamps, there's quite a few in various ones. They're brilliant because they just chop that blank page, gone, bye bye. Right, so now which of these am I? Oh, right, yes. Oh, I forgot to show you these, didn't I? Now, these are the dies. Oops, hang on, I got two lots here, which I was... Now, this one will cut all the way around, but leave the centre in. This one cuts it all out. And then this one then is just for a little bit in the middle, and you can put hello or little sentiment in there. Now, the one I'm going to use today is this one. And again, that'll cut out and leave the inner in. And then this one will cut out, but that'll cut a hole in the card with a hole. But if like me today, what I did was I put the outer edge in, so it cut out this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful die cut. Absolutely amazing, love it, absolutely love it. Right, so now then, I've told you about the dies. Like I said, these are going to be my go-to dies because they're just beautiful, beautiful. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find a sentiment that fits my diddly jigs. Right, which one can I have? Which one? Oh, I've lost one. Oh, there we are, that'll do. I thought it was you. Well, that's even better, isn't it? This is a little something that I do, and I expect you do as well, is, just get all your little sentiments out and see what fits. And I think that's going to be the one. Right, what's that? Your sweet friendship refreshes the soul. Now then, I'm using block D. Again, we've got all the blocks. You can buy them as a set or individual it's entirely up to you. And then because this has got the rubber, I don't need to use this stamping mat. That rubber just gives it a little bit of something to press into. I'm going to have to find a word for that, aren't I? And again, buddy hops, check it. See, you're going to... Let me stamp this off somewhere so that I can see if it's okay. Yes. And the great thing about using the big stamp is, on a small area like this, you can't very often go wrong. You know, you can't put it too high. Mind you, saying that, you want everything go to put there. I don't know why I hold my breath when I do that. Right, the unveiling. Ta-da! There we are, I'll put that away, so I'll leave that now for a bit to dry. Now I'm going to stick this onto my cards. And I'm going to do the traditional stick it in the middle. Now, because it's got, obviously, lots of holes in, you've got to be careful as to, you don't want the what's it called, this glue. You don't want the glue to come out of the ends. So very, very carefully, you can get off my finger. Go very gently around the outside. You see, you're just hardly touching it. Well, hardly putting any glue on, rather, I should say. Now, there is another way. I've been learning. You put glue there. I've been stamped for years and I've never known this be done until about 3 years ago. I found out this. If you do that, you get glue on, but it's not going on in clumps. And also afterwards, I get the fun bit of peeling it off. Oh dear, Wendy, you're letting all my secrets out, aren't I? Here we go. Right, so then I'll put this. Oh, it's all right, the glue dries clear, so don't worry about that. If, as it happens here, you've got some glue that come up between things like that, don't fiddle about with it while it's wet. Just press it all down and leave it for later on. And I'll show you what, after I've finished this now. What am I after? Oh, dimensional. What are these? Well, there's also black dimensionals, which I haven't used any of these yet, but they will come in use, as they say. Oh, come on. Where are you? Ah, right, here we go. Now, what I'm going to do, stick that down firmly. I'm going to put some sentiments on the back of my my sentiments. I mean, this helps give it a little bit more of a dimension, as you gather dimensionals. But also, if you're going to post it, it's not going to get squished in the post. And I just hear the doorbell going about to go, so I'll be back with you. No, I'm not. I'm going to wait though, because I think he's just going to leave it outside, I hope. Yes, he has. He's put it in the letterbox, so that's okay. This, I do find this, I'll have to learn how to use the pickup tool, because many of the crafters, they use that to get these backs up, but I haven't done it. Oh, look at that. Good job I checked that, wasn't it? Right. Always check which way around you've got your cards. I'm just going to put that now, centralise it as you can. So centralise, I don't know, but put it back in the centre. And there we go, very quick cards. using just Jade, and I'll see you all later on. I think I might have another demo to do, so I hope you like it. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already for more fun and laughter with Wendy. Thank you. Bye.